4 stages of becoming a peak performing trader. And I think all of us start out as what we call an enthusiastic beginner. It's where we take a look and say, hey, trading, that looks really cool. Looks like a way that we can maybe reach our financial goals and our time freedom goals and do it very easy. In other words, when you're very enthusiastic, you have a very bright outlook, everything appears like it's going to be easy. Then we transition into this phase called disillusioned learner, where our expectations, well, they fall a little bit flat. We find out that trading is actually much more challenging than we first thought. This is the place or the stage where a lot of traders tend to quit, or they start to hop trading systems. And to some extent, that can be useful at this stage, because really you're still in the stage of discovery and you need to learn techniques, you need to learn tactics and how to trade. But anytime you go and jump a system, you're going back into your enthusiastic beginner phase, going, oh, this looks good, this looks better over here. And you go ahead and try that. You go back into being an enthusiastic beginner in your new strategy or in your trading career, and then you get back up to disillusioned learner when you find that that strategy too has its challenges. Eventually, by doing that, you will eventually pick up enough skills to be able to be a profitable, successful trader. In other words, you'll have the mechanical skills in order to do so. The challenge you have is you don't have confidence in yourself. You don't really know or are aware that you already possess the skills to be successful as a trader. We call this the reluctant trader phase, where again, you have the skills that you need to become tremendously successful in trading. However, you're having challenges applying them in the real world. And the actual skills you need to be successful as a trader is a remarkably small amount of skills, by the way. I would say that a vast majority of people on this webinar who are listening to us already have those skills. But what they do is they're not confident, and they go back into the enthusiastic beginner stage. Since they're not confident in their skills, they go, ooh, this looks better over here. And again, they start jumping trading strategies. At this point, if you're jumping trading strategies, this is no longer useful for you, because you already know what you need to know in order to become successful or to become a peak performing trader. What you need to do instead is to get the psychological game down, build up the confidence so that you can be a long-term successful trader. That is where this book comes in. People in that stage will be incredibly useful for you. So I do recommend the book. It's very good.